What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I just did a haul video for my vlog channel, but I wanted to come on and share with you guys too just a couple of the things that I found, not everything, since this is my nail channel. But I did want to let you guys know that I found these cute new some more storage container boxes with the pom-poms on them. Aren't these so adorable? Now they're much smaller than the last ones that I showed you, but they're still perfect for storage. I have one on my dresser. I have two of these, one on my dresser, and I put like my lotions in it and my hair products in it, and it sits there perfectly. I think they're so cute. But they had the gray with the multicolor pom-poms, and then I recently found the black one with the white pom-poms on them. Also, I found these yesterday. They had the secret invisible spray deodorant, you guys, and I have used it. This smells so good. It's the secret Paris Rose, and then they had the secret active sport, and I think in the stores you'll probably pay like $4 or something like that for these. So I just thought this was a really good find, so I thought I would share that with you guys. I also came across these. Now I had seen them the other day, and then by the time I went back they only had one left, but they're the stackable essential stackable organizing drawers, and you can see it has a little drawer here and you can pull the drawer out. And I thought this was so cute, so I'm hoping I can find a couple more so I can stack them up, but I plan to put like earrings and stuff like that in it. They had this cute little drawer that I'm going to use in my kitchen to put in my junk drawer. It's a drawer organizer. It's really sturdy. And then they had these that have a lid on it. It also has the little, like, you know, so you can pick it up with your hands, but they had these in pink, purple, and I think like a teal blue. I thought that was really cute. And then they had these super cute, see if you guys can see, these super cute totes that I thought would be perfect for summertime, like going to the beach or going to the picnic, or even just keeping at home and putting like your magazines in it or mail or something like that. But they had these in about 3 to 4 different colors, and it's nice and sturdy, and it's actually quite big. It's not very small at all, but I thought they were so cute. And then also, if you guys are into drinking alkaline water, they have these big alkaline waters at Dollar Tree. The first time I seen it, I picked up a case. Now I'm having a hard time finding more of them lately, but they're good and they're really big. This is 1.5 liters of alkaline water plus electrolytes. It's called Alka 65. So if you guys are into drinking alkaline water, it's really good for you. Pick this up. And I think that's it. Did I find anything else new? Okay, I almost forgot. I found these. These are the First Line Sleek Maintain Your Style hair bonnets. And they have some with different designs on them. I picked up 2. You can see through the hole. That shows you which design this one is. And that one. But these are a good find because you're going to pay like over $4 mostly in certain stores and beauty supplies for these hair bonnets. I know these are in, everyone's like wearing hair bonnets now, so for $1 I could not pass that up. So I have a few pictures of a couple of new things that I saw, and I will add them in so you guys can see. All right, bye y'all, thanks for watching.